Hello friends. So now let's start with a theorem on Hermitian matrix. So here the necessary and the sufficient condition for a square matrix to be Hermitian is that A equal to A theta, where A theta is nothing but transposed conjugate of A. So we have to prove this result. Now guys, to prove this result, let's assume matrix A, which is a square and Hermitian matrix. So now when we say any matrix as Hermitian matrix, that time ijth element of that matrix A is the complex conjugate of the jith element of A. So that condition is nothing but Aij is equal to Aj bar. So this is the condition for a square Hermitian matrix. Also guys, the A theta, which is nothing but the transposed conjugate. So normally the transposed conjugate we get after finding the transpose and then conjugate. So this is denoted by A theta. So guys, this A theta will be a square matrix because we have assumed that A is a square matrix. So this is a square matrix. Now guys, let's take an example. So let's say there is a matrix A. So let's say first element is small a. Now if I find out its complex conjugate, so the condition is Aij has to be Aji bar. So this position of this element is A11. Now its complex conjugate of the position Aji. So Aji will be A11. So we should get this A11 bar as equal to A11. So guys, that is why I'm considering first element as A. So since it does not have any imaginary part, so its conjugate will be the same or complex conjugate will be the same. So let's assume that diagonal elements as A, B and C. Now let's look for the other elements. So let's say that the element at the position of first row and the second column as Z1, which is a complex number. So by the definition of square Hermitian matrix, the element at the position of second row and the first column will be Z1 bar. So here the position is A12 and it is equal to A21 bar. Because if this condition is satisfied, then only the given matrix is Hermitian. So Z1 and the other element will be Z1 bar. Similarly, if this element is Z2, this will be Z2 bar. If this is Z3, this will be Z3 bar. So guys, here I've considered an example. Now let's move ahead. So to prove that the matrix A is equal to transpose conjugate of A, I will consider the ijth element of A theta or the transpose conjugate matrix. Now guys, ijth element of A theta, that is A dash bar. So that bar is nothing but a conjugate. So it is equal to the conjugate of ijth element of A dash. So ijth element of A theta is equal to conjugate of ijth element of A dash. Now guys, ijth element of A dash, so I'm talking about this statement. So ijth element of A dash, we know that it is equal to jith element of A because A dash and A are transpose. So what I'll say here is it is equal to conjugate of jith element of A. So guys, you can observe here that ijth element of A dash is jith element of A, and that is why I said that conjugate of ijth element of A dash will be conjugate of jith element of A. Now, the conjugate of jith element of A will be represented by like this. Now, if we go back to the definition of Hermitian matrix, then we know that AJI bar is equal to AIJ. So I can here say, so here I can say it is equal to AIJ, and AIJ is nothing but ijth element of A. So guys, now we got ijth element of A theta is equal to ijth element of A. It means A theta is equal to A, because every element of A theta is equal to the each and every element of A. So guys, here we have proved the result. Now, if we see the conversely, it means if I say that A theta is equal to A, and I want to show that A is a Hermitian matrix. Now let's see how we get that. So for that, I will start with this condition. Now this condition says A theta is equal to A, and that is why I can say that ijth element of A theta will be equal to ijth element of A. Now guys, let's see what is ijth element of A theta. So ijth element of A theta is nothing but ijth element of A dash bar, which is nothing but the conjugate. So guys, this horizontal lines denotes the conjugate. So it will be the conjugate of ijth element of A dash. Now guys, the conjugate of ijth element of A dash will be conjugate of jith element of A, because A and A dash are the transpose of each other. And if I want to represent this, then this element is AJI bar. So guys, what we got here is AIJ is equal to AJI bar, and this is the condition which we saw in the first line. So if Aij is equal to A bar Ji, then we call such matrix as Hermitian matrix. And guys, we got the similar condition there, and that is why we can say that A is a Hermitian matrix, and we have proved the given theorem.